Hello dear friends! Finally! Today we will make a refreshing dessert. It's refreshing because we will make it with yogurt. Here in Greece we can find a very nice full-fat yogurt from sheep milk. Let's start. In this mixing bowl we put all the yogurt. Here's the first step. We take it on the side. Now, we take all the milk cream, we turn on the fire, and we put the sugar and the lime zest. We add the water in our gelatin. And we mix it. It smells so crazy. Okay, when it's hot, we turn off the fire and we put the gelatin inside. And we mix it very, very well. Okay, the gelatin is ready. Now we take some of the yogurt and we put it in the milk cream with the gelatin, just because we want to be smoothie. And now in a mixing bowl. Our mix is ready. We take these lovely glasses and we put our sauce. Our panna cotta is ready. We take it in the fridge for a few hours until set. As we're waiting, let's make a sauce, cherry sauce, with fresh cherries. Here we have these nice and juicy fresh cherries. We turn on the fire and we put the sugar. We're waiting until our sugar be caramel. Then we'll throw our cherries inside, some syrup de agave and a half lemon. I have one tip for you. If you can, and if you want, you can put one shot of ouzo. When our cherry sauce make these big bubbles, it's ready. Our cherry sauce is ready. We take it in the fridge until cooled down.